go right in, we're welcoming a new class to Stitch School. Yay! We have got a new workshop coming to Stitch School, and if you are aware of our patterns and you know our patterns, you might have guessed what class it is, because we are bringing the Hettie dress to Stitch School.
Yay!
And we filmed a brand new workshop to go with it, which will be on Stitch School Premium, so all of our premium subscribers will get access to the workshop and the pattern immediately. What is in the workshop?
Wow.
It is a fully guided sew along for every single step of sewing up the Hettie dress. But there's also extras in there, so it's not just sewing.
No.
There is information on bust adjustments, and also like Hettie is a bit of a kind of, I don't want to say strange beast, sounds like a negative, but she's not. There's a pleat. It's trapeze style.
Yeah.
There's lots of things going on, which means like the fit around your bust, you might approach it in a different way than like a fitted pattern.
Like if you're used to doing a bust adjustment on a darted bodice, for example, you might look at the shape of this dress and go like,
what do I need to do? What don't I need to do? Like we talk about all of that, and
Amazing.
sort of like, I'd note cases where you might usually do an FBA, but maybe you don't want to, and the same with small bust adjustments too. So we chat through everything,
all of that. Amazing.
And then alterations wise as well, we also talk about necklines.
Oh,
so
okay.
if you want to raise the neckline at all, and also if you want to lengthen the skirt, because Hettie is a mini cute party dress.
Very cute.
But if you want a little bit more coverage or just want a longer hem, then we talk you through that as well. And also through all the fabrics you might use.
Yeah, I was going to ask, do you talk about all the different fabrics? Because you and I have different things on at the moment.
Exactly.
Mine's a cotton lawn, and yours?
Viscose crepe.
Ah.
So this is the one I sew up in the class.
Beautiful.
And yeah, this is a Fabric Godmother viscose crepe, really lovely to sew through. And yeah, we talk about the different, like what it would look like in a cotton, how things might change based on the fabric type you use. We also pop in tips about brocade fabrics, because we made the most amazing brocade sample. But there's different ways you need to work with the fabric to get that kind of brocade look.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just packed full of information.
So nice. And in terms of difficulty, so the pattern is a confident beginner anyway, but I'd say with the class it's probably going to be even more accessible to, let's say, even unconfident beginners.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? There's nothing super tricky involved.
Not at all, no. And I think that's the good thing about having these workshops, is that we have the time to go into every single step so in depth. And exactly that, I would say, if you don't feel like you're a confident beginner yet, this class will get you there.
That's nice.
You don't have to come in at a confident beginner level, because I'm going to hold your hand the whole way through. And I think what I kind of hadn't realised until we filmed this class is that there are so many steps in Hettie that are so relevant for so many patterns.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, you've got facings.
Yes.
You've got dealing with a V-neck. You've got sewing a pleat. You've got
inserting
sleeves. You've got elastic channels. You've got like a narrow hem.
Hemming, yeah.
You've got potentially got like shimmery fabrics that are going to shift around a bit.
You've got pockets.
Got pockets.
Right.
So it really is.
That's such a good point.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was just a class to sew a cute party dress. Oh, this will be nice. But when I started working on it, there's so much more like useful information in there.
I love that.
Obviously, because we're kind of consistent through all our patterns, the techniques that we use will transfer across to so many different patterns. So start with Hettie.
Yeah,
and
then and then fly. So if you maybe are getting excited about this class but you're not quite ready to subscribe to Stitch School, then you can just buy the class and you'll get access to the PDF pattern forever and to the class forever. But if you like the look of this class and maybe of another class, I would say that it makes more sense for you to get a premium subscription, because then you get access to over 250 online classes And I think over 45, we must be nearing
Yeah, it must
50
be.
PDF patterns that you can access with a Stitch Core subscription premium. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. If you have a look around and you like a couple of things at least, then just go with the subscription, honestly. It just makes sense.
Yes. Yeah, there is so much value on there. That isn't just dresses as well. There's trousers, there's accessories,
So
there's
many
fitting.
trousers we found out.
Yeah,
we
almost all our
I know,
trousers.
we did a kind of deep dive into our trouser patterns, and we realised that
What's
pretty
that?
much all of them are on Stitch Core, which I think is amazing because people are quite nervous about trouser
Exactly.
making. So
Yeah.
I think it's a good resource.
And if maybe you want a little breakdown of like what it's like following a course, I know when you guys did your jeans club,
Yes.
you followed. So Alma and Chloe made some jeans last summer.
Last summer, yeah.
and followed our ultimate guide to fitting and sewing jeans class, and you can almost see in real time what it's
True.
like, what you're approaching, what you might be coming up against. And if you like that sort of thing, then you'll love settling into a masterclass that's on there, like masterclasses on jeans, coats, blouses we've added.
Oh yeah, beautiful one. Bags as
bags,
well.
other ones that I can't even remember off the top
There's
of my head.
some also that aren't specific to a pattern, but they're so useful, like our intro to couture techniques.
Ooh,
That's beautiful
that class.
because you can then take those tips and tricks and apply them to anything you're sewing.
Yeah.
Or the intro to embroidery class, which is taught by Chloe, and that is again anything you're making. You might think, oh, put in a little bit of embroidery,
Yeah.
look good here. Add it in. And let me think, there's more. Sleeves. I love the sleeves class.
Yes, the sleeves is so much good pattern geekiness.
And like the basis to start to unlock a lot of pattern
Yes.
hacking. We also have an intro to
Oh, yeah.
pattern hacking,
There you
to be fair. But yeah, I think it's a good mixture. There's, if you just like to have some hand holding throughout a pattern, then our workshops are amazing, and some of our
Yes.
masterclasses that focus on a specific pattern. But if you also just like to learn techniques and maybe perhaps a little bit of pattern cutting,
Yeah.
pattern drafting,
Pattern, yeah, both.
it's both. Then we have a lot of that, and then of course hundreds of tutorials that are just a quick refresher. I use those all the time, all the time. It's like if I'm sewing a pattern and there's a technique I haven't used in a while, put the tutorial on, and it just helps me refresh everything and watch it in real time as I do it. So what we're saying is Stitch Core is basically great, and even greater now because Hettie is on it, and it's the right time of year for
It
Hettie.
is.
That's why we thought of doing it right now. Also, it's quite quick, so it could be your last minute party dress.
Yes, it is perfect party dress, perfect seasonal party dress, I think. And all you want to do is just like swish all the time.
It's the volume in the skirt really makes you want to do this.
I love it. I love it.
So on that note, we're gonna leave you to go check out the class, check out the Stitch Core subscriptions. All the links are below, and yeah, hopefully we'll be seeing lots of Hetties out there, some sparkly ones.
Oh, yes, please, come on. Yes, please do go check out the Hettie class when you've got a moment. But in the meantime, we'll be back on YouTube soon with some things that we've planned, which I'm sure will be very exciting.
Absolutely.
So if you do like our videos, then please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, because then you'll get notified when new ones pop up all the time. Quite often on a weekend we might have one for listening, some chatty, what's going on in the Sew Over at office, or things about patterns, deep dives, all sorts of things going on. So yeah, definitely sign up if you want to hear more. But otherwise we will see you very, very soon.
Bye.